We've had a lot of instances where people have run into trees or different apparatuses or the ground, and we wanted to find a way to reduce that risk. And the Zephyr flight simulator has allowed us to do that. My name is Jason Day. I'm the Director of Unmanned Aircraft for the Texas Department of Public Safety. Texas DPS has one of the largest public safety UAS programs in the country. We're extremely operational, conducting over 52,000 drone flights in 2023. Our goal was find a software that was easy enough to use for all of our pilots. On the back end, for the administrators like myself, it had to have tools so that we could maintain logins and track all of the different training that they did, be able to generate reports off of that. We wanted something that had a variety of aircraft that you could fly to be able to get experience on different type of airframe. Plus, it had to have numerous scenarios, including all of the NIST fundamentals. We wanted to reduce the amount of classroom time when our pilots would come out to our UAS training complex in Florence, Texas. What the Zephyr flight simulator has allowed us to do is actually reduce that learning curve. So now they can spend hours learning how to go up, down, left, right before they actually come out to Florence and get hands-on with the aircraft. The flight simulation training is extremely realistic. Flight characteristics of each drone that is in the simulator is extremely accurate. And it feels like I'm flying. That aircraft responds like it does in real life. I think it's really beneficial to use this as initial training for drone pilots because it gives them a very safe environment where they're not going to crash and helps them build confidence. And the simulator has given us that opportunity for them to build that confidence. First thing we ask when we address our entire group of students is, how did they like the flight simulator? And you actually see smiles on their faces. They actually enjoy doing it. They understand how the buckets work. They understand how to fly the course. And that has made them more efficient operators and given them much more confidence in their ability to complete all this. The team at Little Arms and Zephyr has been phenomenal. Their customer service is phenomenal. They've been a great partner with Texas DPS, and we look forward to continuing to work with them.